Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage email notification on your Instagram. Maybe you want to manage your email notification in your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your email notification on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you'll see here your Instagram icon. In here, tap on this Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, simply tap on these three lines in the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, select settings and privacy. And then from here, you'll see how you use Instagram. In here, select the notifications, and then simply scroll down and you will see here the other notification types. Below that, you'll see email notifications. Tap on it. And now you can manage your email notification in your Instagram. In here, you can turn it off by simply toggling the button. For example, you don't want feedback emails, simply toggle this button to turn it off. Also, if you don't want reminder emails, simply toggle again this button, and so on. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage email notification on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your email notification on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.